This unassuming building in the center of Frankfurt houses a menagerie of current and classic high-end cars. Many museums cost quite a bit to get into, however this one is completely free. The parking is free, and so is the admission. The McLaren showroom takes up a good portion of the first floor. You absolutely must stop by there. The highlight, of course, is this gorgeous McLaren Senna. Toward the back of the first floor sits several workshops. While McLaren was a bit camera shy, this Mercedes specialist had several rare pieces visible. The second floor is an interesting mix of museum pieces and classics for sale, as well as several little shops for automotive parts and repairs. The third floor appears to be dedicated to the storage of many high-value sports cars and classics. I'll let the video speak for itself here. How many of these rare makes and models do you recognize? This dealership had a strict no camera policy, but I managed to sneak a little bit of hidden camera footage for your tour. This lift is the key to transporting cars from floor to floor. It does have a beautiful sound. Once you've worked up an appetite, make sure to stop by the Works Canteen for a great selection of food and drink. One final stop by the McLaren showroom, just for fun, and then make sure to stop by the gift shop on the way out for plenty of racing-related gifts. Directly across the street from this compound sits a Lamborghini dealership. A stop by is a requirement for any automotive aficionado. While the inside of the Lamborghini showroom was camera friendly, the cars out front were off limits. With 3 Lamborghinis and a Bugatti sitting there, I had to revert back to the shaky hidden camera again to capture these gems on video. Thank you for joining the museum tour. I will be visiting more shows and museums in the near future, improving the video quality, and sharing these experiences with you. Please like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts.